We are at the Ronia project, located in Velenjak. The construction system applied here is the top-down method.
In this project, we faced several constraints. The first major challenge was that if we had chosen the nailing system, we would have faced objections from the neighboring residents. There are 72 owners and residents living adjacent to the project, some of whom are not even in Iran, making it impossible to obtain their official consent.
Since this foundation is a massive concrete structure, temperature control and differential thermal changes are critically important for us.
Pars Zagros is a specialist in mass concrete casting because concrete is the heart of every building.
بتون قلب ساختمان است.